Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to get deleted messages on WhatsApp or how you can backup that without turning on your backup. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your files, scroll down and click on internal storage. Now click on Android. Now choose media and select com.whatsapp. Click on WhatsApp and click on databases and select all and copy it. Once you do that, choose backups and select copy here. Doing so will help you to get your deleted messages on WhatsApp. After doing all the process, you can go and check on WhatsApp and you will be appear with all your deleted messages. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.